Hello everybody and welcome. As we like to do every week, we like to take a look at the past week's market activity and then of course bounce around the market and look for something to trade. Well, over the last few weeks since the big Fed announcement, you see the market's pretty much been trending up and volatility's been taking a dive. This again is always where we start at the S&P 500. If we look at the NASDAQ, fairly similar, right? They always look fairly similar. It's not quite as high, right? It's not at its all-time highs like the S&P 500, but again, similar story, low volatility, trending upward. And of course, IWM, again, fairly similar as well. IWM took a bit of a little beating this week for whatever reason, while the others were stronger, but still the same story overall, which is it's been trending up and volatility's been trending down. So if we're looking for volatility, where can we go? So if we go to the oil market, this is the oil future. You can see oil, although it doesn't look like it at the pump, I still seem to pay a lot of money for my gas. Oil's been trending down over the last few months. Again, don't know why my gas prices are so high, but keep the oil companies rich, I guess. And volatility, you can see, is as high as it's been for the entire year. So oil definitely looks like a place to go if we want to make a trade. So the way we can make a trade in oil is we go to the ETF XOP. This is the oil and gas, as you can see right here, oil and gas ETF. This is one of the ways we can trade it. And look here, the volatility is as high as it's been. If you take out this huge drop right here, right, which is like this big spike, except for that, it's about as high as it's been for the entire year. So, seems like a good place to go. Volatility is above 50, we love that. And again, in the market where the volatility is going down, we got to go to find places where it's going up, and oil seems to be the place. Well, I've already set this thing up to save us a bit of time. If we go to the trade page, we're going to go right here to 47 days, which would be 46 tomorrow, which is almost perfect in our 45-day window. I've set this up to save the time. The stock price is 131 essentially, so I'm going $11 up on the call, $11 down on the put, going $2 away on the call and put to turn this into an iron condor. And as long as I collect at least 66 cents or more on this trade, this is a valid trade. And you can see right here, should be plenty of cushion for that. So, assuming everything stays the same tomorrow in XOP, and we open up right here, let's go $11 up and down, create a $2 wide iron condor. And again, as long as we're collecting at least 66 cents or more on this trade, that is our trade in XOP in the oil sector for tomorrow. Hello everybody, Cal here with an ancient Chinese proverb which I'm sure you have all heard before. Give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. Why am I telling you this? Because most services out there just give you a fish. They tell you, oh, make this trade, I made this much money, I made millions of dollars, do this, do this, do this. That's not my goal. My goal is to teach you to fish for a lifetime. I want to teach you the skill of trading so you can go out and make as much money as you want to on your own. And the best way I've come about to do that, at least for me, is to basically set up an alert system where you can watch me trade in real time. You'll get texts or emails directly to you in real time of the trades I make every week. I do 2 to 3 trades a week, so it's going to tell you everything you need to know about the trade. Why I did it, how I did it, what I did as far as specifics. And then you're also going to get the closing alerts when I close them for the maximum profit potential on these trades. Like, how do I close these trades? Why do I close them? To get the best profit potential over time. And I want you to do it without any risk, which is why I've set this up for $1 for the first month. You'll get my option income alerts for the first month for only $1, and you can cancel anytime, so there's no risk on this one. You're risking $1 to see if you can turn that knowledge or learn to fish. You'll use this code, MakeB1. If you want more, we have the Option Pro Alert, which is the exact same alert, but it also gives you access to every course and webinar I've ever made. It's a 13-course bundle, obviously thousands of dollars in knowledge. Again, you can do this using this code, and this is only $19 for the first month. And again, you can cancel this one at any time. So again, a risk-free attempt to learn and see if it's something you want to do. Here they are right here. If you want to go do it, you can go to sharpertrades.com, go to the products page. These two will pop up. You can type in these codes down here, or you can just go directly to this link right here and it'll build the code in itself, or the attachment I have at Udemy along with this little video. So again, my goal is to teach you to fish. I can't think of a better way to do that than to trade side by side with me in real time. Hopefully you jump on this opportunity. Hope to see you soon. Take care.